boys.
What's
orders.
the or what's your what's on your hands?
I'm turning into a Smurf.
Yeah. Now I'm Travis.
I'm Erin.
And we are our lively tribe.
Yay.
Update time.
Today is Friday, June
12th, I think. Yeah, I knew that.
Today is Friday, June
12th.
Oh, I was going to say 9th.
Yeah.
Today's the 12th.
Yep. And I'm in the shop getting all of the wood. Together for all the trim and border pieces that go in the Meredith fifth wheel. There's 4 slides in there, so I had to buy quite a bit of wood.
Oh, it's going to be so pretty, though.
Yeah.
It's all coming together and
we lucked
visions.
out, and the wood we got is, the grains are so awesome. So
he's working on that. We're going to put those in. I'm going to help him out. And the other renovation, what are we naming that one?
White Hawk. It sounds like an 80s metal band.
I don't like that.
Oh, well, we're
The
going
White Hawk
with White Hawk
renovation.
until you change it.
The White Hawk renovation, which was our fun surprise one. I think it was a surprise to us, too.
Oh, yeah, it all totally just worked out.
That has been gutted more, so I will share that with you. And then it's haircut day.
Oh, okay.
Well, I know you're not going to let me cut your hair. But the boys all need haircuts. Today's their official last day of school. We're doing an open house with the grandparents tonight so they can see everything they've done. And they keep asking for haircuts, so I'm finally going to
Are you just going to buzz their
them
head?
haircuts. I don't know. Maybe
You
mohawks.
should just take it to... do an awesome mohawk.
Whatever.
Do a number 1 all the way to the top.
Also, Trenton is going back to gymnastics today.
Mm-hmm.
They've been calling and calling and calling. They want to bump him up to team. If you know Trenton, you know he's crazy. And his coaches apparently know he's crazy and will do anything at gymnastics, so he is very, very excited. The rules there are 1 adult per student. There's only 4 to 6 kids per class. They have to be spaced apart. The coaches wear masks, the kids don't. They encourage you to sit outside on the bleachers or wait in your car or drop off. So it's gonna be weird. But we kind of asked him if he was interested in doing it again, and he is beyond excited.
Are
He's
you
already
excited?
in his gymnastics
I know.
shirt.
Once we talked about gymnastics, he went and found his shirt to put on.
That was yesterday.
Yep.
I'm like,
But his favorite coach isn't going to be there.
But you know, Coach Ron,
so sad.
we'll see.
he kind of teaches us.
Yeah.
One taught us how to teach the vintage.
Oh.
Now you're a big kid.
And I don't have to deal with the little baby kids. They aren't babies, so, but they are fun.
Okay. Back to it.
So we're gonna give you a tour update, put in some slide bases.
What's
orders.
what's on your hands?
I'm turning into a Smurf.
Yeah.
No, you aren't. You're turning.
I did some tie-dye with the boys, and I've never done it before, or it's been years. So then I just washed them and wrung them out, and
Then put gloves on.
no, I'm too cool for gloves.
Too cool for gloves.
Don't say that in this COVID era.
All right.
Let's
so,
go give a
lots to
tour
do.
of the rig, and
Let's
I'll go
start something.
get that ready.
All right. So this is the pile of things that have been removed.
Yeah, people ask how we lose weight on trailers. That's how.
This is how we lose
There's
weight
way more
on
that
trailers.
we take out than what we put back in.
Yes. So let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, I have not even been in here. Holy
I've
smokes.
never seen a trailer so teared down like this.
You guys, what's crazy is it still smells new in here. It still smells new. Why are all the water things on? Go ask Dad if the water's supposed to be on. All right.
Daddy, is the water supposed to be on?
The water pump?
Yeah.
No, you can turn it off.
Mom already did.
So we were curious as to what was underneath this bunk here. And we want to make this a walk-in room with 2 small bunks, similar to what we did in the last renovation.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take this top one out. We're gonna take this bottom one out. This is gonna have to be like a platform or a box next to the 2 bunks, I think, that we're gonna do right here.
I'll say a platform.
A platform? Maybe like we could put a rug on it. It could be like a reading
Mommy,
space.
remember that one time when H was like making a trail in here?
When ants were in here?
Yes, I hated
Yes, me too.
We're afraid ant poisoning?
All right, so that stuff's out. Mattresses, table is out, slide is out, couch is out. Holy moly, in this whole front room. As for this side, all of this in here is gonna stay. That kitchen area, the cabinets, it's such good storage. Really nice big fridge. We're gonna do an open shelf there.
I can touch
But
the
it is-
top.
It's gutted, people. There's no turning back now.
Mom, I can touch the top wall.
Woo!
And I can touch better than that.
That is so high. You be careful. All right. So people always wonder what we do with all of the things that we remove. A lot of it, like the couch, will offer to like, a lot of things with like the couch and stuff we'll give away. But just like when you renovate a home, if you go into a kitchen, you don't save most of the kitchen. Everything really gets thrown away. So unfortunately, there's really no saving all of this wood and scrap and stuff. We do take it to the dump. If you have a better idea, let us know. But for now, that's what we do with it. That's really it, huh?
Yeah.
This one is, the visions are all coming together, and this one is already owned, and we are working with the owners to really decide what to do with it with each step. So they really have a hand in this renovation, which is cool because they're gonna get exactly what they want. What's the process of taking off the sides around the slides?
Oh my gosh, it's so simple. So they all have like little false wood covers that kind of hide here. So literally those will just pop off with a screwdriver. They're barely held on with little nails. And once you get those off, there may be screws that you'll have to locate. You unscrew those and then everything else is just held on with little finishing nails. So get a screwdriver and just start prying it off. And before you know it, the whole thing just peels itself right off. It has no structural support, so you don't have to worry about damaging anything. Or if you break them, none of that matters. The only structure is the one that's behind it. So it's super simple. We get asked this all the time. Just stick a screwdriver in there and pry it off. It'll come off. Super simple.
And then what do you replace it with?
So I really like replacing it with, well, I like using cedar, but any wood, you know, you measure this and you trim the wood piece to fit that width and length, and then use finishing nails, longer finishing nails. This is going to be a 3/4 to an inch. So finishing nail that's not going to go all the way through this and puncture the wall that's behind it. So that's all you need to keep in mind. But just finishing nails, there's no structural support, so you don't have to worry about those types of things. There's no pressure on these, so just using small finishing nails is going to hold whatever you put up there up. It's a pretty simple process, but like enhances the look of the trailer like instantly. And you'll see, right? We don't have them right now. We're going to video putting them on, and you'll see a drastic change in these things. So it's pretty rad.
Cool, let's do it.
I did not know this was rubber.
You gonna help Dad?
I'm either nose or man. I have to go to gymnastics, so.
Are you so excited for gymnastics?
Yes, it's gonna be 2 hours or something.
Yeah, it's 2 hours long this time because you're on the team.
Yep. Maybe on the big, maybe when I'm on the big kids, It maybe that'd be like the hour.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like 20.
Do you want a haircut? Why?
Maybe tomorrow.
Plug it into the air hood.
Okay. Oh, like this. It can be hard.
Can you get it?
Oh my.
I know, it's a long one. I don't know if it's gonna fit in here.
I think.
Holy smokes.
Come on.
It might be on the door.
No.
Oh, you was, but no.
Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Trying not to break anything. I also wanted to just give an update, talk about what nail gun I use. So this is an 18 gauge nail gun, and the nails I'm using are 1.5 inches. So this is 3/4, it's going into 3/4, and then I have a little extra. Well, that's 1.5 inches right there, but so yeah, so don't overdo it. It doesn't have to be heavy duty. This is gonna stay up there as long as you own this rig and beyond it. So yeah, simply do that. Nail in it a few times. Don't overdo it. It's okay. So there you go.
Homeschool open house. This is all Trenton's stuff. His workbook. He did a pre-K workbook and a kinder workbook. And that's all in here. He can share all his stuff. There's his picture of Dad. And then you come into here, and Jake's got all his important stuff out. We set up the microscope. They can show him how they use the microscope. You have your biography report that you did this year. What else? That report. Your California project is back here. So you can share all of that. Trenton's got his drawing when we did the body anatomy. And then over here, Bryce has got all of his most important stuff, and he hung up some stuff where their pictures go. His report on the Mayans, his report on Tommy Caldwell, Jake's Pacific Ocean project, Jake's cursive class he did, and his report on bats. So everything is out. We're ready.
So this is your notebook? Yeah. My teacher's name is Mom.
I'll
Do
see
you
you
show me?
first, Bryce.
Do you show me your stuff?
Here's my time capsule.
So what is the explain the time
Grade
capsule?
binder. So it's pretty much
Sixth grade binder?
Yeah, my sixth grade time capsule.
Oh my! Wow! But we used to keep
My Mayans report. I have my report on Tommy Caldwell.
Oh, okay. You looked it up
We're all about
online.
bats.
That mom, that
That's who? Bryce?
that
What's this?
chipmunk.
Is it chipmunk or a squirrel?
Fishing out the night. in our sweet grass area. Thanks to Papu.
Donkey riding cow.
So many kids.
All right.
So many kids.
Open house went good. I was so glad we did that. And then I saw that idea somewhere, and it was cute. The boys got to really show off their work and the things that they did this year, and I think they were reminded of everything they did. So I think that was cool. And the grandparents actually believe that they do some school.
That's funny.
All right, another day. We did not get to haircuts today. We got to everything else. Gymnastics, it was good. We got to all of that, but we did not get to the haircuts. So, are you ready to go to bed?
I'm a little exhausted today.
Wait.
But I'm not gonna go to bed.
Nope,
Wink.
because we got kids.
Oh, what?
All right,
Peace out.
good night. And do you see the airplane? Oh, say hi.
I'd say what? Pull out his wallet and he'd open up his wallet. Open up and he'd rifle through his money. He'd go, here.
Oh, there's a frog. Frog? Where?
Sorry. He'd say, here. You take that, you go buy ice creams.
$20?
Here,
Yay!
Somebody give me $10 to go buy ice cream. There's inflation. Here, you go buy ice creams.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, I eat that.
Did you see the frog? What do you say to Yaya?
Thank you, Yaya.
You did a good job in school this year. I'm proud of you. Next year, listen to your mother and don't give her a hard time.
Ronnie, why did you leave me?
Don't
Yay, thank you.
give my mother a hard time.
Got 46 bucks. Yeah, here's a frog.